Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Catherine Gonzalez. Today, we're diving into how to create and deliver effective presentations for adult learners. I'm excited to share some insights on andragogy, best practices, and strategies for addressing biases in professional development sessions. Let's get started. To begin, let's talk about andragogy, the art and science of helping adults learn. Malcolm Knowles, a pioneer in this field, identified 5 key assumptions about adult learners. First, adults develop a self-concept of being responsible for their own decisions and are self-directed. Second, adults bring a wealth of experience that serves as a rich resource for learning. Third, adults are ready to learn things that are immediately relevant to their personal and professional lives. Fourth, adults have an orientation to learning that's problem-centered rather than content-oriented. Lastly, adults are primarily motivated by internal factors such as job satisfaction, self-esteem, and quality of life, as explained by Knowles, Holton, and Swanson. These principles recognize that adult learners have unique characteristics and needs, which should be considered when designing professional development. Applying these principles is crucial for creating effective professional development. Adults appreciate learning that respects their autonomy and leverages their experiences. By focusing on real-world problems and immediate applicability, we make learning relevant and engaging, which enhances motivation and retention. Knowledge and his colleagues emphasize that this approach ensures the training is not only informative but also practical, enabling participants to apply what they've learned directly to their work. When it comes to delivering impactful presentations to adult learners, engaging learners actively is paramount. Incorporating activities such as discussions, case studies, and hands-on practice not only keeps participants engaged, but also helps them apply what they learn immediately. Making content relevant is equally important. Tailoring material to address the specific needs and context of your audience shows them how the information will help in their daily tasks and professional growth, as highlighted by Papas. Additionally, using clear and concise visuals can significantly enhance understanding. Slides and other visual aids should support your points without being cluttered or confusing, as visuals can help explain complex ideas more clearly. Fogarty and Peat emphasize that facilitating reflective learning by encouraging learners to reflect on their experiences and integrate new knowledge deepens understanding and promotes internal motivation. Finally, maintaining a professional yet approachable demeanor sets a positive tone and encourages engagement, demonstrating respect and fostering a comfortable learning environment. Now, let's talk about biases. Cultural, ethnic, and gender biases can affect how your presentation is received. As presenters, we need to be aware of our own biases and those of our audience. To reduce or eliminate these biases, ensure that your materials reflect diverse perspectives and experiences, showing respect for all audience members and broadening everyone's understanding. Avoid stereotypes by being mindful of language and examples that might reinforce them, and instead use inclusive language and diverse examples. Soliciting feedback from participants can also help identify any biases you might not have noticed, enabling you to improve future presentations. Moreover, fostering an atmosphere where all participants feel valued and respected encourages open dialogue and responsiveness to the needs and concerns of your audience. By addressing these biases, we can create a more inclusive and effective learning environment. By understanding and applying andragogical principles, using best practices for presentations, and addressing biases, we can create professional development sessions that are engaging, relevant, and respectful. This approach not only enhances learning, but also contributes to a more inclusive and effective professional environment. Thank you for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident in creating your next professional development session.